Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Our group will present about group video report project corporate company. Our group has selected company Faiza Sendirian Berhad for this assignment. Our group consists of 7 members, namely Sarul Syafriana binti Saikapli, Izzah Rosma Hadirah binti Rosni, Nusyaira binti Sopian, Nur Ain Syafiqah binti Maknawi, Nurul Hana binti Suhaimi, Muhammad Amirul Hafiz bin Zamri, and Muhammad Nabil Iman bin Ayub. I welcome our next group member to start the presentation.
Company background Faiza Sendirian Berhad. Syarikat Faiza Sendirian Berhad, a Malaysian rice producer and wholesaler established in 1982 and founded by Faiza Bawumi Said Ahmad, an Egyptian-born entrepreneur who migrated to Malaysia. The company initially engaged in retail activities as its core business. In 1992, his company changed its business entity to Sendirian Berhad. In 1987, the company undertook joint venture capital with Padi Beras Nasional Berhad (Bernas) and became a member of the Bernas Group. And in the late 1990s, buyers began to evaluate the process and other properties of edible products more closely. During this time, the company was introduced to a unique category of herbal quality rice from Karnataka, South India.
In 1998, he was motivated to promote pony rice from India, which is good for health, especially for people with diabetes, obesity and high blood pressure. Faiza immediately realized that the intrinsic benefits gained by rice consumers with pony rice in their diet. Known as the Taj Mahal, pony rice has been distributed throughout Malaysia. As a profit, the Taj Mahal has had a huge impact on consumer demand for other Faiza rice products such as basmati, fragrant rice, Thai and local super special rice. Syarikat Faiza SDM BHD has been known for its high quality products, 100% Islamic and halal. Syarikat Faiza SDM BHD currently has factories in Selangor, Kedah, Johor and Terengganu. Syarikat Faiza SDM BHD also has 200 permanent employees and over 300 contract employees.
Every company must have a vision and mission as well as Faiza Company. The vision of Faiza Company is to expand the market into additional nations and develop a diverse range of goods under the Faiza brand name. Their mission is to be a market leader in Malaysia food business, specialist in the manufacture and marketing of luxury rice.
This is an organization chart for Faiza Sendirian Berhad. The managing director for this company is Faiza Bawumi binti Said Ahmad. Next, he was assisted by an assistant director. The assistant director has a role to assist in the work under the director's supervision in order to reduce the burden. While the assistant director, there are other managers such as marketing managers, operation managers, finance manager, administrative manager and R&D managers.
So I will continue with current issues. Point number 1 is the issue study concerns the abolition of the rice transfer permit request by Syarikat Faiza Sendirian Berhad against the government. This is because it slows down the distribution process, thus allowing manufacturers to face high penalties. At the same time, the country's leading rice producer Faiza also urged the government to review the appropriateness of sales rebate rates in supermarket, which are considered too high to burden Bumiputra companies. Number 3 is its founder and managing director, Datuk Faiza Bawumi Said Ahmad, said currently, the transfer of rice out of each district is subject to a permit that requires approval of about 3 working days. Okay, and the last is it delays the rice delivery process to the treatment of the delivery conditions. Faiza's company had to face exorbitant penalties by the supermarket company.
As it should be, every issue should be resolved prudently. So I will present on suggestion related to this issue. The role of company itself is to register a trademark, or better known as a trademark, with the Malaysian Intellectual Property Corporation. This is important because it can prevent food from being plagiarized by irresponsible parties. Entrepreneurs also need to be smart by registering all the product design so that all the matters to be commercialized to a higher level. Advertising and many more will not happen, such as plagiarism and so on. Most importantly, our property is protected. Next, entrepreneur should submit a request to the government to get transfer license approved more quickly. The government should cut the refund rate for a higher price supermarket sales, which are hard for certain Bumiputra business. Thank you.